Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, leveraging technology has become essential for manufacturing companies to maintain that competitive edge. And a recent study revealed that manufacturers who've implemented advanced technology have experienced, on average, an efficiency increase of up to 30%. So I think this statistic underscores the critical role that technology plays in enhancing manufacturing processes. And efficiency in manufacturing isn't just about reducing costs, it's about maximizing productivity, minimizing waste, and ensuring high quality output. And by integrating advanced manufacturing execution systems and real-time data analytics, companies can optimize their production workflows and significantly improve their overall operational efficiency. So in this video, I'm going to explore how these technologies are transforming the manufacturing industry and providing practical insights and some strategies for their implementation. First off, let's cover what is a manufacturing execution system. Well, they're comprehensive software systems that manage and monitor the production process across the entire factory floor. MES functions as a bridge between ERP systems and the physical manufacturing process, ensuring that manufacturing operations are effectively executed and optimized. So MES systems track and document the transformation of raw materials into finished goods, and they provide real-time data and visibility into the production process. So how do you go about improving efficiency? Well, a MES can do that in several different ways, so let's explore some of those. First, it provides comprehensive digital work instructions which ensure that every operator follows standardized procedures, which reduces errors and improves consistency. And then quality management features within the MES enable real-time monitoring and control, allowing for immediate identification and correction of defects, thus maintaining high quality product and reducing defects and rework. And then performance analytics track metrics like machine utilization, production rates, and downtime, offering actionable insights for continuous improvement. And then MES systems facilitate better scheduling and resource allocation, which can optimize production workflows and minimize bottlenecks. And by integrating with IoT devices and sensors, MES can support predictive maintenance, anticipating equipment failures before they occur, and then reducing any unplanned downtime. So overall, MES enhances operational efficiency by streamlining processes, improving quality control, and providing real-time data for informed decision making. So implementing a MES in a manufacturing business involves some strategic steps to make sure improved efficiency can be achieved. Let's just go through those now. First, conducting a really thorough needs assessment to identify the specific operational challenges and the goals of the business is important, so that when you're selecting a MES solution that aligns with these needs, you can ensure it offers the key features like the digital work instructions, the quality management, and performance analytics. Planning out the integration process by mapping out how the MES will interface with existing systems like any ERP or any machinery or operators on the production floor is essential next. And whilst doing that, providing comprehensive training for any key staff to ensure they are proficient in how to use the new system. During the implementation itself, I recommend starting with a pilot phase to test and refine the system in a controlled environment before rolling out that full-scale deployment. And while you're doing that, you can continuously monitor and evaluate the MES performance using those real-time data analytics to make adjustments and optimize processes. So by following these steps, a manufacturing business can effectively implement a MES, leading to streamlined operations, reduced downtime, and enhanced overall productivity. Staying competitive requires embracing advanced technologies that enhance efficiency and productivity. By integrating MES systems and real-time data analytics, manufacturers can achieve significant improvements in their operations. Because these systems provide comprehensive tools for standardizing processes, ensuring high quality product, and optimating resource allocation and enabling predictive maintenance. The implementation of MES, supported by strategic planning and continuous improvement, leads to streamlined operations, reducing downtime and making informed decisions. So as technology continues to evolve, the potential for further enhancing manufacturing efficiency will only grow. So it makes it imperative for businesses to stay ahead of the curve and leverage these powerful tools. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on our blog, and there you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. So take care.